Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today we're going to be drawing a cute watering can with flowers. So let's start. So grab your marker or pencil, whatever you're using today. And I'm going to start with just a line like this, right in the middle of the paper. From there, let's bring the line down on an angle a little bit. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Make sure that they are on the same level. And now kind of with a curved line, but not too much. Let's just connect them together. That's good. Now let's add the handle. And how we're going to do it? Just like a curved line down here. Now let's just duplicate this line. Beautiful. And from here, let's bring one line up, then another one. Like a reversed arch, then like an oval here. We can add like dots. And we have our beautiful watering can. Now let's add the flowers. And you can think of any design of flowers you want. Maybe you want to add like roses. Maybe it's something else. Or maybe it's just like flowers that you can imagine. That's good. That's my first one. Now here I'm gonna add like another one. I'm gonna add like with a circle here. Then another circle, and like this. Beautiful. Now here, let's add another big one, and then we can add leaves, like or maybe smaller flowers if you want. So I'm gonna add like another circle, then a small one inside, and then let's just add flower itself. Great. So that's good. You can add some details here and there. That's beautiful. Maybe from here we can add like small flower. That's good. Now let's see where we want it. Maybe here we want to add like some leaves. 1, 2, 3. That's good. We're gonna add like a line like this. Be creative, and you can add as many leaves or flowers as you want. 1, 2. That's good. And maybe we can add like leaves here. That's nice. And I think I'm almost like done with mine. I don't want it to be too busy. I think it's good enough. Now we can decorate our watering can, and you can add any design you want. Maybe it's like circles or like small dots or triangles, or you can do like a heart in the middle. That's good. Maybe we can do like a little bit more design here and there. Add like small circles. Think how you want it. There we go. You can add like more decor. That's beautiful. And I think I'm good with mine. So now you can put your marker aside and we can start coloring. And you can do any colors you want. It's fall where I am right now, so mine is going to be more like orange and yellow. But if your favorite color is pink or purple or red, you can pick any. So for this one, I think I'm gonna pick like a nice orange, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just start coloring it. Now I'm gonna grab red, this one, and I'm gonna, in the middle, I'm gonna add like a little bit of red and like some red on the side here, like on the edges. Very nice. Now I'm gonna grab like a darker orange, and I'm gonna start coloring this flower here. And you can use any color combination you want, so pick your favorite. Now this one, I want it to be a yellow flower. And I'm gonna color orange in the middle. That's good. And the small flower, I can do it red. Color it red, yes. Nice. Now let's add like some leaves, and this one I'm gonna do it green. I'm gonna do it orange, like light orange. Now I'm mixing the colors, and we can do this one orange as well. That's good. This one we can do green, green, green. We'll add a little bit of orange here. That's good. And now I'll add this one green as well. That's good. Now I'm gonna grab like a nice brown. Now I'm just gonna go over those lines here. That's beautiful. I'm gonna grab a darker green and color this. Now it's time to color our watering can, and you can pick any color you want for this. So I think I want mine to be like a nice purple tone, so I'm just gonna start coloring it purple. But pick your favorite color. Maybe it's blue, maybe it's green or pink, so decide what color you like. Now pick a different color that's gonna go well with the main color for the watering can. Perfect. And now pick a color that you want for the heart, and it can be like a nice red. I think I'm gonna do like a nice red color. Or maybe you want like a light pink or yellow. That would be cute as well. And those small dots, I want them nice and bright. So I think yellow would be perfect. That's good. Look at that. And my bouquet is ready. I think I'm just gonna color this small dot here. Find the tone that I want. Just something like this. That would be great. And at this point, it could be done. But if you want, you can add like a few colorful dots here and there. So let's see, we can add like 1, 2. That's good. And now it's done. So if you like this project, please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. Thank you guys.